Okay, we will solve this one. If f of x is equal to 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, we will find f of 0. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, we have to substitute the value of x, which is 0. Okay, so f of 0 equals 8. So, yung x na yan, you have to change that one into 0. Then squared minus 2, then 0 minus 3. Okay? Then equals f of 0 is 8. Tapos 0 times 0, that is equal to 0. Okay? Then minus 2 times 0 is 0. Minus 3. Okay? So equals 8 times 0 is 0 minus 0 minus 3. So therefore, f of 0 is equal to negative 3. Bye-bye. Okay, we will solve this one. If f of x is equal to 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. So, find f of negative 1 half. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito is substitute lang natin yung negative 1 half sa x. Okay, so therefore, f of negative 1 half, okay, equals 8. So, kaya natin yan sa 8. Then itong x, magiging negative 1 half yan. Then squared minus 2, tapos negative 1 half, tapos minus 3. Okay? So ngayon, f of negative 1 half is equal to 8. Then squared yan, di ba? So meaning, i-double natin yung negative 1 half. So negative 1 half times negative 1 half. Okay? Then ito si negative 2, multiply natin yan kay negative 1. So magiging positive 2 over 2. Okay? Over 2. Then, minus 3. Okay? Hindi pa sa baba. Equals 8. Okay? Then, this is positive 1/4. Okay? Times positive 1/4. Kita pa. Then, plus 1. Kasi 2 divided by 2 is 1 minus 3. Okay? Dito tayo sa taas ha. Para makita. So, 8 times 1, that is 8 over 4. So, f of negative 1 half is 8 over 4. Ito magiging negative 2. Minus 2. Kasi 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So, equals 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 minus 2. So, f of negative 1 half is equal to 0. Bye-bye.